Alright, what's going on, guys? Here with another video on the cord today. Finally gonna be dropping it. Got all my parts in. First I got the coilovers, and then I got the rear camber kit for it, so I won't have all that camber. So she won't be looking high no more on that donk status. So these are my coils. Here, hold the camera, Vic. So I went with the BC Racing coilovers. Right here, I'm not gonna take them all the way out, just gonna give you all a little look. So they do come already with the camber plates, so I could just adjust the camber, which is a real good thing. I can also adjust the dampening, so soft, hard, or whatever. So I got my little to adjust them if I ever need to, but these are it, man. Bad, huh?
Yeah.
So yeah, these are for the front, and the ones in the back are still here. So there's that. And these are my the rear camber kit arms. I think I got one open already. One of these. So these are those I bought. So these be going in the rear for the camera. So the front already has the adjustable camber plates, and then the back will also be adjustable as well. So it is gonna be on stocks for now. So I mean, I already kind of dumped in a good amount of money, and I ain't even paid my first car note. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, first the boy's gonna go get a haircut, man, cause looking out of there, man. So I'll get a fade real quick. The shop is down the street. It's called Assault Racing here in Houston. My boy Cuzzo hooked it up. He talked to the guy and everything, so he got me an appointment set up in the morning. So I'm just gonna go get a haircut. It's right down the street, and then after that, I'm gonna go get these bad boys and stuff. So stay tuned. Alright, your boy just got a fade, you know what I'm saying? Feeling like a new man. But yeah, man, she got the fade. We just put it up to the shop as well. So we're about to go in there and see what they're talking about. Talk to them about this whole drop. And hopefully it's a quick turnaround. Show you what it's looking like. Alright, so we just dropped it off at the shop, just talked to them. They're gonna go ahead and get started on it. Probably be an all-day thing, but this is what she looks like right now. Stock height, too much tire gap, so we're gonna get rid of that. I'm not really sure how low I'm gonna go, so probably about right here, maybe somewhere along those lines. But yeah, I want it pretty slant, but I can't go too damn slant because the side skirts they hang pretty low, and then same thing with the front lip. So it's already kind of low as it is. So But man, I don't know. I've owned an Integra before, and I've had that thing slammed. I missed having a slammed car, so we are the bag and slam bros. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, the front, that'd be about, I don't want no tie up on that either, so that'd probably be about right here. If I have to rub, I'm gonna just send it. We'll send it for you guys. But yep, this is what she's looking like for now. We'll show y'all what it looks like once it's all done. All right, guys. So just got the phone call that the Accord is ready to go, man. So my cousin already made it up there a little bit ago, so he just called me, man. He told me that it looks fucking sick. So we're gonna see what it looks like. I already know how I am, and I'm probably not gonna like how much they lowered it, or either it's gonna be way too high or look like it's on springs, which is what I don't want. I want to be able to look, you know what I'm saying, where it's slammed. But like I was telling my brother, I still want to be able to put people in it. It is a 4-door car. But then again, the other side of my head is telling me, nah, slam that bitch. So yeah, I'm kind of in the middle. So we're about to pull up here in a bit, and hopefully it's what I want. And I ain't got to mess with the coilovers or nothing. I won't have to adjust them, hopefully. So we'll see. All right, so I already picked up the car. I got it back. Looks fucking sick as hell, man. But like I said in the previous clip, I already knew something wasn't gonna make me happy. That's just the way I am. So unfortunately, I do have to do a little bit of adjustments. So a little bit of adjustments. So but yeah, I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and I'm gonna tell y'all kind of what I want to do. So she does look definitely slammed from what it was. Sick, man. Side skirts pop out a little bit more, and the lip. But on the front, I definitely want to go a little bit lower. I don't like that you can still see kind of the top of the tire, like right here. I don't like that. I kind of want to bring it down maybe about, I don't know, maybe a little bit more than a 1/4 inch, somewhere like that. But definitely bring that down. And then the rear, I don't know, for some reason, maybe I'm tripping, but this side on the rear looks a little bit lower than the passenger side. But yeah, the front definitely go lower. The back adjust. So I did get the camber kit, so you know, of course it does have a little bit of camber running fresh out the shop. They didn't do an alignment, so I'm gonna just you know, adjust it how I want it, drop it a little bit more in the front, and then adjust the back, and then you know, take it to the alignment shop, and then they'll take care of all that camber. So yeah, like this side, I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm tripping. But this side looks a little bit higher. My brother says I'm tripping, but I don't know. So yeah, there she is. There's the vet. Forget about the vet, man. Yeah, that front end looks sick, and with the emblem. So that's kind of how she sits right there with the front lip. She's got a little bit more room to go for what I want, but she's pretty damn slam. Check it out. Put the camera underneath it. But yeah, guys, there's the Accord. So all I gotta do is adjust, alignment, and she's good to go. It's the next day, and my cousin's over here helping me. I might as well just go ahead and show you what I'm doing and adjusting it. That way, whenever we'll show you like the final, like little cinematics or whatever, you know, you can tell the difference. You're gonna be able to tell the difference of me adjusting it and how it looked when I first told y'all. So right now, we're just gonna adjust the coils. I already adjusted the driver's side, so now I'm just doing the passenger side. So I just gotta loosen up this guy, the bottom collar, which I already did, and then just turn this collar to the left, and then snug this one back up, and that's pretty much it. So the other side's done. I gotta look at the rear, see what I gotta do to the rear, because I think, like I said, this side is lower than the one on the driver's side. So I just gotta bring, no, I'm sorry, I got it backwards, my bad. So driver's side is lower and this side's higher, so I just gotta bring this one down, and then everything should be good to go. So yep, got that going on. Let's make it happen. All right, so I did mark little mark right here, Cuzzo. Marked right here. You could probably barely see it, but we're gonna turn it 8 times. That's what I did on the other side from what it originally was at. So I'm gonna do 8 turns, complete, all around, and should bring me back to the other, even to the other side. So here you go, Vic. All right, ready? Let me count this one for you. So we're at. So.
Make sure you don't pass. Remember.
Yeah. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that should be that's the 8 right there, guys.
You were almost close to
maxing out. So now I just gotta bring this down and close. This pretty much how much lower I'm gonna go. This little space right here. So I'm just gonna turn this, close this gap up, turn this up, and we'll be done. Show you what it look like. All right. So this is what the front look like now. I'm not sure if y'all be able to tell a big difference, but I can. Yeah. So it's pretty much the back. I'm gonna keep this height on this side, and then the other side is the one that's higher. So I'm gonna just bring that one down. Yeah, you got la carnita asada, Kevin? Yep. Cook it up or what?
You know it. You know how we do.
What do, cuz what it look like?
I'm hungry, you know.
That comes right over here, you know what I'm saying? We out here. We got the old Silverado and the vet sitting back enjoying the show. So yeah, we're gonna work on this side now. Oh yeah, this is the passenger side. So yeah, man. Check out the lid. Damn, that bitch is gonna be slammed. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so we got everything adjusted, the front and the rear. It's good to go. So I tried to go to alignment shop, but it is Sunday, but I could have sworn Firestone was open, but it's not. So I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow, Monday. I'm off Mondays anyway, so I'll be able to take it up to get a line, get rid of the camber in the rear, and the front's not really cambering, but if needed they can adjust it. So yeah, this is what she looks like, all done up. So the rear is sitting just how I want it now. Front, man, yeah, I'm in love with it, man. Definitely. Yeah, guys, hope y'all like how that came out right there. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do next to the car. I did find a kind of like a kit just to kind of get rid of all this chrome that kind of goes around the car. That's kind of the only chrome that it has. And then either that or do the little interior pieces, these right here, and carbon fiber. But yeah, guys, hope you guys liked that video. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Sauce.